Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $30 while watching videos, and it's available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Animation Arena. Now, this is the website that you're going to use to get paid to watch videos. Now, it's a section in this website where you'll be able to apply to make money watching videos. So what you're going to do is go to the URL and you're going to type in animationarena.com/arena-writer.html. Then this page is going to pop up. So it says here, get paid to write video game, comic book, and movie reviews. So you're going to be doing other things to make money too, not just watching movie reviews. You're going to be able to write about a comic book or a video game. So you're going to give your review on these type of things. So it says here, we at Animation Arena are looking for a couple of writers to write video game, comic book, or movie reviews. No professional experience necessary. All we ask is that you have a genuine passion for the subject matter and that your grammar is clear enough for our readers to understand. These reviews are casual, so no technical writing here. That's good to know, guys. You don't have to have no technical writing experience or anything. Now, it also says each review will need to be a minimum of 550 words long, must be original, no plagiarism. At the end of each review, please rate the material on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, check this out, guys. The pay is $15 per review with a minimum of 10 reviews per month. So guys, every time you review a movie, comic book, or a video game, you're going to get $15. And you're going to make more than $15 because you get to review 10 of them every month. Now, this is how you apply. So if you're interested in writing for Animation Arena, please send us an email with 2 samples of your writing to this email right here. So along with the 2 samples, guys, you need to put this in the email. So your name, age, subject that you would like to review, and what you think makes a good review, your favorite television show, what games you're playing right now, what comic books you're reading now, and your top 5 movies of 2010. So you have to include that in the email. And once you get accepted, they'll start sending you reviews for you to review, and you start making that $15 for every one you review. So, real simple, guys, real simple. So that's all I'm going to say about this site. So, if you're ready to go ahead and make some money watching movie reviews, go ahead and go to animationarena.com/arena-writer.html. Alright, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. That's all I ask, just 20 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, that's it. Really appreciate it. Road to 8,000. Let's get there by the end of this month. We got like 8-9 days left in the month of March. Let's get there, because I'm ready to give away some more free money to 2 more people. So let's do it, guys. Let's go. Let's run these numbers up and get there. All right, on that note, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.